Darla, bibilang kita ng black polo because I love you.
Thank you, Chrissy.
Yes. Ano ka sa men's? Large? Or extra large? Extra large. Okay.
Quezon! English!
May galit pa eh.
That's true. Ano, I respect that. I really respect that. Pero ang ating leksyon, mga kaibigan.
Oh, please don't go so fast. Please. Don't leave me.
He said na mabubuntis ako kay Coco Martin at magkakaanak kaming babae. Hindi nangyari. So,
Ayaw mo na basketball player talaga? Kahit NBA?
I don't like boys na.
Ayaw mo na boys? Para kanino pa yung pagpapakita mo ng goiter kung hindi ayaw mo na paligaw?
I did keep quiet for one very human reason. I got hurt for that very same reason. Because I truly loved him.
2 years lang daw maghihiwalay kayo. Grabe siya. Sabi ko, I thought your friendship's friend. Why are you saying that?
2 years lang kami.
Sabi niya, sama niya, no?
Yung ponytail na yan, matatalo na at last. And because of that, ako, may tama ako.